Hello everyone, hope you all are doing well. Welcome to Krishna Flute Academy YouTube channel. Today in this video, we will discuss a major problem of students. What I have observed, they used to feel difficulties to reach pa, actual pa, not base pa. Now, how to reach actual pa easily? So when we'll go for sa re ga ma, then we go for pa. We are so concerned and we are so praising the notes so that the pa will come very higher sound, and sometimes we are getting difficulties to switch the notes from one note to pa. So how we can overcome these challenges, this is today's discussion. Okay, now I'm giving one single task. I hope if you practice that, I hope major problem of pa switching or transitions between other notes to pa will be easier. Okay, let's see. So we will go for ma, then pa. Now how do you do that? Pa 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 pa, 4 notes. Fa pa pa pa, ma pa pa pa, ga pa pa pa, re pa pa pa. See. Now again, pa pa pa. Pa 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 pa, ma pa pa pa, ga pa pa pa, re pa pa pa, sa pa pa pa, ni pa pa pa, dha pa pa pa, pa 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 pa. Now reverse back. Now let's make it half. Pa 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 pa. Instead of two, pa 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 pa, ma pa pa pa, ma pa, ga pa, re pa. Okay, a little bit faster. So understood, all notes we are reaching to the pa, and we will say poo 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 in pa 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 pa. Instead of going straight, this straight. We will not do this in this practice. We'll go cut cut. Pa ma pa ga pa re pa sa. Sa pa re pa ga pa ma pa pa ma. This, if you practice this, now we'll go for dha. Now each note to dha. Now see. Like this way, if you practice pa dha, then I hope all the notes reaching to dha and pa will be easier for you. Okay, please do practice this, and if you have any problem, you can help. You can raise your help and in this comment sections below. And if you want to share your problem in this comment, I will definitely come up with a video with your problem. Please connect with me and share me the problem. And I also know other students of mine how they are getting difficulties, in which places they are getting difficulties. Okay, please be connected. Subscribe our channel, likes and share. Thank you. Bye bye.